I think if you want a school where your child's going to get individual attention, excellent teaching, caring teaching, learn some real learning skills, studying skills, time management, and really a school that's going to challenge them and bring out the best in them, I think MCA is the place to send your child.
Yeah, we definitely saw the confidence in our daughter grow as she not only learned that she could do more, but that she started to improve in all the areas of her academics. So definitely a big boost in self-confidence.
Going into high school, I was a lot more prepared than a lot of other people. You know, I knew like a lot of the material in science and math and everything, so I felt like I was more prepared than a lot of other students.
The advice that I would actually give to parents coming in is, be prepared for intense scholastic work, but know that there is rewards that sort of happen regularly through the school year that really do provide incentives to the students.
What you really notice when your kids go to MCA is the teachers know the kids. They know them so well, and they know exactly what they can challenge the kids to accomplish.
I was really excited, especially when I came in to the day where I got to shadow somebody. It made me really excited and I really wanted to come here.
Si tu veux être plus organisé, ça c'est vraiment une école pour toi. On est vraiment organisé ici.
Definitely helpful for the organization side. You know, getting to high school, everything comes crashing down. You've got clubs and sports and school, and you've got to kind of all juggle it and keep it up. And MCA was really helpful from kind of like agendas to kind of writing your time schedule down. It was all super helpful in preparing me to kind of make that jump to high school.
The class sizes, right? It allows for a great ratio with a teacher versus student, and the structure that they put around their day as well. To me, that's something that we don't find elsewhere.
Even the notes that I took at MCA, I've still used them in high school. We're still reviewing stuff that I learned at MCA, and all my notes, I still have them, I use them, they're so organized.
What it's done actually for the long term is to motivate them for learning. They come away believing that learning is fun, and that is what makes MCA so special.
And I think one of the other things that the kids also learn is really substantial time management skills. I mean, they have so much work thrown at them, they have to prioritize, and it's really skills that we've seen our kids grow up and extend and really use not only in high school but also in university as well. So it's something excellent grounding, excellent reference and basis for the future.
We were super happy with the program, and we intend to send our younger daughter to MCA over the next few years.
Even after all the academics and all the homework and all the exams, it's very, very rewarding.
Set them on the right path, for the years to come. Absolutely.
I think it's a really great school, and honestly watching them, and now they're doing really well in high school. My sister's at university and she's doing really well. I think it's a really good school.